Are you trying to do up your high chair, Logan? Yeah? You trying to do up your high chair? There you go. And I got a better view standing up. There we go. No, I gotta sit back down again. We can't get his face in. Pretty cool, hey Logan? Yeah? Can you... This is his favorite game now. When he's done eating breakfast and Mommy unhooks him, he likes to do himself back up. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yeah, my little inquisitive baby. Oh, what do you hear? That's Dragon on TV. Usually I'll help him and I'll line him up and we'll actually snap them in together. But I can't do that and film it at the same time. Okay. Okay, Logan. Let's go down. Can you look up and say bye-bye? Say hi. Look up, Logan. Okay. Bye-bye.